Hello friends, in Maths chapter 4 linear equation in two variable, we will discuss about solution of linear equation in two variable. So we have till a standard study that if x plus 3 equals to 5, then x equals to 2. That is the solution of linear equation in one variable. So x equals to 2 is only a unique solution of this equation. Suppose we take 2x plus 5 equals to 7, then 2x equals to 2, and so x equals to 1 is the unique solution of the 2x plus 5 equals to 7. So like this we have studied about the linear equation in one variable solution till a standard. But now what about the linear equation in two variable, whether they have a unique solution or more than one solution. So let me say we take a one equation that x plus y equals to 3. So this equation has the two variable x and y equals to 3. So the solution of linear equation means the value of the variable which satisfy the equation. Like here if we submit the 2, then 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Here we submit the 1, then 2 ones are 2 plus 5 equals to 7. So here we have to select the x and y values which gives the addition is the 3. So we can take so many values like x equals to 1 and y equals to 2 we take. Then we get 1 plus x plus y equals to 3. Somebody takes as x equals to 3 and y equals to 0. Then also they will get x plus y equals to 3. Somebody takes as x equals to 5, y equals to minus 2. Then they will get x plus y equals to 3. Somebody takes as y equals to 5, x equals to minus 2. Then also they will get x plus y equals to 3. And so like this way, here we can write 1, 2 is the solution of equation. We can write 3, 0 is the solution. We can write 5 minus 2 equal is the solution. We can write minus 2, 5 is the solution. So x plus y equals to 3. We cannot get a unique solution. We will get an infinite many solution. Somebody thinks about another equation. Let me think about 2x plus y equals to 5. So here also x and y different values we can take, like if we make a y depending on x, so y equals to 5 minus 2x. So here y is equals to 5 minus 2x we have taken. X is the independent variable, y has to depend on x. So y is depending on x. So here x value different we take, x equals to 0, then y equals to 5 minus 2 into 0. So 5, and so we submit x equals to 0 and y equals to 5 here. Then we get, here we can see 2 into 0 plus 5 equals to 5. So 2, 5 is one of the solution of it. Somebody thinks that he wants to keep x equals to 1 here. Then x equals to 1 we submit, then y equals to 5 minus 2 into 1, so 3. And so we submit x1 and y3 in this equation. And 2 into 1 plus 3, so it is 5. So again we get the another pair 1, 3 as the solution. So like this, so many solutions we can get. Somebody take x equals to 1 by 2. Then y equals to 5 minus 2 into 1 by 2, so 2 cancel and 4. So here one more pair we get 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3. So we can see that here, plus 4, y value is 4, so 5, and so 1 by 2 and 4. So like this way we can get the infinitely many solution, and so we can say that linear equation in one variable has only single solution, But linear equation in two variable has not a single solution. It has a many pairs of point x and y variables which solve the equation, and so it has infinitely many solutions. So if somebody asks that is the 2, 3 is the solution of three x plus 2y equals to 12, is 2, 3 is solution of 2x plus 3x plus 2y equals to 12. So we know that now if x and y variable we submit in this value, x is 2 and y equals to 3 we take, and this x equals to 2, y equals to 3 we submit in this equation, and it satisfies the equation, means left hand side we submit the values and right hand side answer we get, then we say yes it is solution, otherwise it is no. So here x equals to 2 and y equals to 3 we submit in left hand side, so 3 into 2 plus 2 into 3, so 6 plus 6 we get the 12 which is equals to right hand side, and so we can say that yes x equals to 2, y equals to 3 is solution of 3x plus 2y equals to 12. Now somebody says for the same equation, suppose is x equals to 1, y equals to 5 is solution of equation. Then again we submit x equals to 1 in left hand side. So 3 into 1 plus 2 into 5. And we can see 3 plus 10 it becomes the 13, which is not equals to 12, means not is equals to right hand side. It is not equals to right hand side, and so we can say that no, x equals to 1, y equals to 5 is not a solution of 3x plus 2y equals to 12. Now we are clear with that whether given x and y values are the solution of equation or not. But suppose equation is given like this with 3x plus y equals to 5 and said that find its solution. So how to find solution? So question we write find the solution of 3x plus y equals to 5. So to find out this solution, we will make a one variable depending on the other. Mostly we will make a y depending on x. So y depending on x, so 3x we take other side. Then from 3x plus y equals to 5, we can write y equals to 5 minus 3x, as we take 3x from left hand side to right hand side. Plus will convert into minus. So now here y is depending on x. So x is independent and x value we can select as our choice. So if we take x equals to 0, then y equals to 5 minus 3 into 0. So 5 minus 3 into 0, 0. So 5. And so one solution we have 0, 5. If we take x equals to 3, then y equals to 5 minus 3 into 3. So 5 minus 9 equals to minus 4. And so we can get the another solution 3 minus 4. So x 3 and y minus 4. Suppose we take x equals to minus 3. Then y we get 5 minus 3 into minus 3. So minus minus plus. So 5 plus 9. 14, and so we get it is minus 3 and 14. Suppose we get x equals to 1 by 2 and y equals to 5 minus 3 into 1 by 2. So 5 minus 3 by 2, we take the LCM, 2 5s are 10 minus 3, that is 7 by 2, and so we have the solution 1 by 2, 7 by 2. So like this way, different values of x we can select and we can get the solution 0, 5, 3 minus 4. Like this way, different solution we can get. Now suppose it is equal, given that find the solution of x equals to 2. Then here y variable coefficient we write into the standard form, then x plus 0 y minus 2 equals to 0. So y is multiplied with the 0. So y value whatever we take, x will remain 2 only. And so y equals to 1, then x equals to 2, y equals to 0, then x equals to 2, y equals to minus 1, then x equals to 2. So any value we take out as y value, but x variable will be 2 only, because here y coefficient is the 0, and so the solutions will be 2 1, 2 0, 2 minus 1, like this. Similarly, if you are asked the solution of y equals to 5, on that time x coefficient is the 0, and so you will get the x variable, any value we submit, y variable will be 5 only, and so x1, then y5, x0, then y5, x minus 1, then y5, and so we get the solution 1 5 0 5 minus 1 5. So these all are the solution of y equals to 5. So like this way we can find out the solution of the equations. Let's see the exercise 4.2. The question one is here, which one of the following option is true for the y equals to 3x plus 5 has unique solution, only good solution, infinitely many solution. So now we know that y equals to 3x plus 5 is linear equation in two variable, and linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solution. So question one answer is infinitely many solution. Now question 2 is given. Write the four solutions for the given equation. So first question is given, 2x plus y equals to 7. So now we make y depending on x, and y equals to 7 minus 2x. So x is the independent variable, x value we can select as our choice. And so x I select as 0, 1, minus 1 and 2. Because we want 4 solutions, so x4 values I have selected. So y value I will get 7 minus 2 into 0, then 7 minus 0, that is 7. Here y equals to, we will get 7 minus 2 into x value 1. So 7 minus 2, that is 5. If y equals to 7 minus 2 into minus 1, so 7 plus 2, that is 9. And y equals to 7 minus 2 into 2. Well, 7 minus 4, that is 3. And so the four solutions we can write in the order pair xy format, that x is 0, y is 7, x is 1, y is 5, x is minus 1, y is 9, x is 2, y is 3. So the four solution. Dear students, here the y answer depends on the value of x. So if you select the another values than this, then you can get the different answer also. Now the second equation is given to us. Pi x plus y equals to 9. So y depending on x we make, then y equals to 9 minus pi x. So x we select as 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2. Any choice we can take x because x is independent. So y equals to 9 minus pi into 1, that is 9 minus pi. And so the xy solution we have x is 1 and y is 9 minus pi. Now x equals to minus 1 we take, then y equals to 9 minus pi into minus 1. So 9 plus pi. And so we'll get minus 1, 9 plus pi as a dot solution. Then after x equals to 2 we take, then 9 minus pi into 2, that is 9 minus 2 pi. And so we will get 2. 9 minus 2 pi. And if we take x equals to minus 2, then y equals to 9 minus pi into minus 2, that is 9 plus 2 pi. And the solution will get minus 2, 9 plus 2 pi. And so we have the four solutions of pi x plus y equals to 9 are 1, 9 minus pi, minus 1, 9 plus pi, 2, 9 minus 2 pi, minus 2, 9 plus 2 pi. Here x value furthermore you can select and you can get the more solution of this equation. The third question we have x equals to 4y. So here y is the independent, so x is depending on y, so we take y value as our choice, y0, y1, y2 and y3. Then x is equals to 4 into 0 which is 0, x is equals to 4 into 1 which is 4, x is equals to 4 into 2 which is 8, and x is equals to 4 into 3 which is 12. And so we can write the solution pairs x, y. So x0, y0, x4, y1, x8, y2 and x12, y3. And so these are the solutions of x equals to 4y. Question 3 we have given order pairs are the solution of x minus 2y equals to 4. So first we will take as x and second value we will take as y in the order pair. So these values we submit in left hand side and we get the answer for them. We will say yes it is, otherwise no. So in the first question we can write left hand side answer is 0 minus 2 into 2, then which is minus 4 is not equals to 4 right hand side, and so first his answer is no, it is not solution of x minus 2y equals to 4. 0, 2 is not solution of x minus 2y equals to 4. Now second order pair is given 2, 0. So 2 and 0 we submit in left hand side, and 2 minus 2 into 0 which answers 2 minus 0, that is 2, which is again not equals to 4 because right hand side is given 4, and so it's not equal to right hand side, and so second order pair is also not a solution of given equation. Now third pair is given for 0. So we submit here, left hand side we write down 4 minus 2 into 0, which is 4 minus 0, 4, and is equals to right hand side. So we can say that yes, 4 0 is solution of x minus 2y equals to 4. Now fourth question is given root 2 minus 4 root 2. So left hand side answer we find out root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2, that is root 2 minus 8 root 2, that is minus 7 root 2, which is not equals to 4 of right hand side. And so we can say that no, it is not a solution of x minus 2y equals to 4. Now 1 we take, and left hand side x1 minus 2 into 1 equals to 1 minus 2, which is minus 1, not equals to 4. And so we can say that it is not equals to right hand side, and so it is not a solution of the given equation x minus 2 equals to 4. Question number 4 we have, find the value of k if x equals to 2 and y equals to 1 is solution of 2x plus 3y equals to k. So here condition is given x equals to 2, y equals to 1 is solution of 2x plus 3y equals to k. And so we submit x equals to 2 and y equals to 1 here. We get left hand side 2 into 1, 2 plus 3 into 1, 4 plus 3, 7, and right hand side is given k. Now this is x equals to 2, y equals to 1 is solution of this equation. So left hand side is equals to right hand side, and so k is equals to 7.